Hey, third grade math. It's a marvelous Monday with the flower in my hair and it's purple. Oh, I just love it. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend and we're going to have a great week this week. Why? Because we're starting something new. We're learning how to tell time. Yes! So we're going to start easy. Time to the hour. So I have this great clock here that my mom made for us. Isn't it wonderful? So we're going to learn how to tell time today. We're going to be working on it all week, so don't even worry about it. So if you notice, on this clock, there are two hands. We call them hands. The little hand we call the hour hand. The big hand we call the minute hand. So when we're telling time to the hour, the big hand is always going to be pointing to 12, and the little hand is going to be pointing to the hour that it is. So if I look at this clock, we're going to say, okay, it's not perfect, the clock, it is 3 o'clock. Why? Because the big hand is pointing on the 12, the little hand is pointing to the 3. So it is, 3 o'clock. And the way you would write that, I'm missing my marker. I'll be right back. The way you would write 3 o'clock is you would write 3 with a colon and then 2 zeros. 3 o'clock. You need to have that colon to write time. Now, if you can't figure out how to type it on your Google Doc, just leave the space. You could also write 3 o'clock in words. So I'm going to ask you to do them both ways on your Google Doc. I want to see it written this way and this way. All right, let's tell another time. So now, I'm going to keep my big hand on the 12. I'm going to put my little hand on the 10. So what time is it? It's 10 o'clock because the little hand is pointing at the 10 and the big hand is on the 12. So it's 10 o'clock. So I would write it this way, 10 o'clock, or 10 o'clock. Two ways to write the time. Oh, I can't show them both to you. 10 o'clock, right? So we have 3 ways to look at a clock. 10 o'clock on the analog clock. We call this circle clock an analog clock. Then this would be like digital, and then we write this out in words. We'll do one more together. Then you guys are going to practice reading some clocks, and then we're going to practice with my clock when we meet. All right, let's do one more. So now I have, again, the big hand is on the 12 to show the minute, and the little hand is pointing to the hour. So we would say it is 7 o'clock because the big hand is pointing on the 12. The little hand points to the hour. It's the hour hand, so it's 7 o'clock. And I would write down 7 o'clock or 7 o'clock. 2 ways to write the time. Okay? So that's what we're going to be practicing today. So if you have any questions, you'll ask me when we meet, and then I'll be having you tell me sometimes with our paper clock. All right, guys, have a good morning. I'll see you when we meet. Bye.